Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can make an image or photo transparent in your documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. In the first step, navigate to LibreOffice Writer, and in the second step, add an image. I added this channel's logo for demonstration purposes. If you don't know how to do this, guys, navigate to your document, click here anywhere you like on your canvas. Select Insert and choose Image, and after that locate the image file on your device, like in PNG or JPEG format, to upload it to your device, to your document like I did here. You may position it, for example, resize it, and as you can see I applied a slight transparency level or effect to that image. Let me show you how I did that. So what you need to do is select a given image and navigate to its properties here to the right. You will find the Properties tab here in the top right corner. If you don't see it, expand the sidebar by using this handle here. And here under the image properties, navigate to the transparency and adjust the transparency level here using these arrow up and down buttons, or enter the transparency level here by, I don't know, for example, 45%. Press enter, and that is going to apply the transparency. Now, you can also navigate to the image transparency by right-clicking into it and by selecting Properties, or using the shortcut F4. And from here navigate to the transparency level. However, guys, as you can see, the transparency here works a little bit different. So if I enter 45% transparency here and click into OK, it won't be applied. So what I did was I used that method with the sidebar here and adjusting the transparency through the image options here in the properties. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.